Good morning, everyone! Today, we are excited to explore syllables, the basic units of sound in words.
So, to help us understand this, we'll introduce a phonogram that includes vowels, consonants, and diphthongs.
These elements are key to forming syllables and understanding how words are built. Let's get started!
I'm your teacher, Gloria Acedo. Let's define first what is syllable. A syllable is a unit of spoken language made up of a single uninterrupted sound formed by a vowel.
Once again, good morning. I'm your teacher, Desiree Mariano. And let's start with vowels. For example, the word an. An has one syllable. An. Next is elephant. The word elephant has three syllables. E-le-pan. Elephant. Next is iguana. Iguana have three syllables. Iguana. Iguana. Next is orange. Orange have two syllables. Orange. Orange. And last is orchid. Orchid have two syllables. Orchid. Orchid.
Once again, good morning. I am your teacher, Sheena. Let's have another examples of syllables in consonant. First is the word balloon. Balloon have two syllables. Balloon. Balloon. Next is the word cat. Cat has one syllable. Cat. Next is the word dog. Dog has one syllable. Dog. Next is the word frog. Frog has one syllable. Frog. Next, the word grapes. Grapes has one syllable. Grapes.
Next is hat. The word hat has one syllable. Next is kite. The word kite has one syllable. The next is lemon. The word lemon have two syllables. Lemon. Lemon. The next, mango. The word mango have two syllables. Mango. Mango. The next is nest. The word nest has one syllable. The next, pencil. The word pencil have two syllables. Pencil. Pencil. Next, the word queen. The word queen has one syllable. Queen. Queen.
Once again, good morning class. I'm your teacher, Mary Rose. For you to understand well our discussion, let's have an activity. This activity is entitled Syllable Clock. So I have here words. All you need to do is clock once for each syllable. For example, the word sun has one syllable. So you need to clap your hands once. It's your turn. The next word is tree. So how many syllables does tree have? So let's count. 3. So we need to clap our hands once. 3. Next, vase. Vase has one syllable. So we need to clap our hands once. Vase. Next is the word watch. The word watch has one syllable. So we need to clap our hands once. Watch. Next, the word xylophone. Xylophone has three syllables. So we need to clap our hands 3 times. So xylophone.
Hey class, what was our topic for today? Yes, it's syllables. can give me another example of words that have two syllables? Yes, zebra. Zebra have two syllables. Zebra. Zebra.
Class, for your individual activity, count how many syllables are in each word. Are you done, class? Okay, let's check your answer. First is points. Okay, very good. Points has one syllable. Next, boat. How many syllables does boat have? Okay, very good. Boat has one syllable. Next, rainbow. Very good. Rainbow have two syllables. Rainbow. Rainbow. Class, who got perfect score? Okay, very good. All of you got perfect score.
Once again, I'm your teacher, Gloria Acedo.
I'm your teacher, Desiree Mariano.
I'm your teacher, Mary Rose Camalog.
And I am your teacher, Sheena Marita.
Thank you for listening.